Decisions, decisions, decisions. If you've ever gone through a remodel, you know what I'm talking about. Picking out colors, flooring, backsplash, countertops. That's just part of the adventure. Are the building materials back ordered? Will the contractor show up every day? And a really big one, do I have the proper insurance coverage? If your customer is relying on their homeowner policy, maybe not. It's best to check with the homeowner carrier. If they're not willing to provide coverage, you're in luck. The Zurich Builder's Risk Plan can cover many of your clients' renovation projects. We can cover just the renovations, so if the current carrier wants to stay in place on the existing structure, great. Or we can consider the existing structure along with the renovations in many cases. Now, when considering the Zurich Builder's Risk Plan with existing structure coverage, there's a few things that you need to keep in mind. Number one, Zurich covers the existing structure actual cash value and the renovations replacement cost. A good source to figure out the existing structure ACV, if it's not listed on the bank statements, is Marshall & Swift, or maybe your favorite homeowner calculator. Zurich doesn't provide an ACV calculator. Two, the renovations need to be at least 20% of the existing structure value. So if the existing structure is $100,000, the renovations need to be at least $20,000. Three, Zurich can provide term policies for remodeling projects, so 6, 9, or 12 months. However, the 12-month term is not available with existing structure coverage if renovations are less than $50,000. Number four, remodeling policies are fully earned in most states. Louisiana, Maryland, Montana, and New Hampshire are able to cancel their policies. Number five, extensions may be considered with underwriting approval. Just be sure to ask for the extension before the policy expires. Using a Zurich Builder's Risk policy is an easy decision. Picking out the perfect wall color, not so much. Till next time.